I found these 6 websites you can start earning from today. The task requires 0 skill, 0 experience, 0 knowledge to get started. And number 6 is my favorite. It will amaze you how much people make from this site and what they do to get paid. These are things you and I do on a daily basis and we take for granted. I'm going to show you that, so let's dive in. The first on my list is Google Opinion Reward. Did you know that Google pays people every single day for responding to simple survey questions? Well, here it is. People download the app, sign up for free, and they take survey questions and they get paid. Now, this is owned and managed by Google, so you are very sure to get your money as soon as you complete the task. This is actually an app, which means you can download it with your phone, whether you're using an Android phone or you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android phone, you receive credit, which you can use to buy things online. But if you are using an iPhone, you get paid in cash, which is actually paid to your PayPal account. On this platform, you make between 10 cents to $2 for every completed survey question. Here is a list of countries where Google Opinion Reward is available. You need to go through the list and see if your country is eligible, so you'll be able to sign up and start making easy money. These are simple things you can do in 5-10 minutes. It's something you can do while on transit. You have a quick break or just before you go to bed. Here are interesting reviews from people who have been making money from this app. Signing up is easy. You download the app, answer a few basic questions, and once you're done doing this, you start getting notification of available surveys. Let's get it straight. This kind of work is not going to make you a millionaire overnight, so you need some more. And that brings us to website number 2. If you live in the US or in Canada and you love shopping, then you need to jump on this. Second to none is a website that will pay you for doing simple things like eating and shopping, being a secret shopper, and you earn up to $20 per hour. And all you need to do to start earning from this side hustle is a cell phone, an internet connection, and a means of transportation. This is strictly for people living in the US and in Canada. I've seen people give testimonies of how they earn up to $8,000, and you will agree with me that this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. The third website on my list is Enroll. Enroll will pay you for taking surveys. Like, you sign up for free using your smartphone and you take surveys that takes you a few minutes to complete, and you get paid for doing just that. On Enroll, you create a free account, answer a few questions, and you start getting paid for sharing your opinion. What you basically do is you test the website, product, and services, and share your honest opinion regarding those products. This is actually to help those companies get feedback regarding their products and services and see how they improve it before they launch or relaunch those products in the market. So on their website, it says, be the first to see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peek behind the scene. You take the test anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not. You can take user test on any device, whether it's phone, a tablet, a computer, whatever it is, you are good to go. And finally, you earn reward. Collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test you completed. You get paid via PayPal. And finally, you change the world. If you've always wanted to get your voice heard regarding a product or service, here is an opportunity to do that. So, and not just that you're giving a feedback, you get paid for doing that. And here comes the fourth website on my list. You have a skill, a high income skill at that, but you have not seen that company that will pay you what you deserve. You have heard of Fiverr and Upwork, but you're just worried because on Fiverr and Upwork, you have to bid for projects, and in some cases, you would have to reduce your price to land the job. Well, this is an exception. This company called Clear Voice will pay you your price. What's very special about this platform is that you do not have to bid for jobs. All you do is you create a free profile and you build your profile. Go on to tell us what you are good at, what you can do, and then you name your price. So on Clear Voice, you don't go through the stress of submitting a proposal. What you do is you create account, a free account of course, and you go on to build your profile, stating clearly what you do and how much you charge per service. The very moment you name your price, list of services that are available based on your rate will pop up for you to go through and select the ones you are interested in. No stress. How do they pay you? PayPal. According to the information on their site, you get paid quickly once you complete the task. Link to sign up on this website is contained in the description of this video. You can have a look at their top 8 industry niches. This will help you in picking a niche that is in high demand. We are fast heading to my favorite, which is number 6. Now, are you getting value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. I would appreciate that. And the 5th on my list is Market Force. If you love to visit restaurants, clothing shops, shopping malls, take time to look around, observe what is going on, then you need to be a mystery shopper. Market Force will pay you up to $20 per hour for visiting places and being a secret shopper. So what you basically do as a secret shopper is to visit a place you are assigned to. When you get there, you act like a normal person, observe what is going on there, take note, and write a report detailing your experience while you are there. And you simply send this report to your employer, and in this case, Market Force, who uses this information to analyze the activities going on and see what needs to be improved on. And finally, here comes my favorite, number 6. Did you know that people are making hundreds of dollars daily doing some funny, clever things that you and I do for free? Look at this. Can you see what he's doing? Can you believe how much this young man makes on a daily basis? Now, guess what? He created this account just 1 month ago and he's been able to do this number of tasks. The minimum he charges here is $5, and this is something an average person can do. Trust me, this guy is a Nigerian. Yes, he's a Nigerian. Can you see how much he makes per task and how many tasks he has executed in so short a time using his talent? A lot of people on Fiverr and Upwork are rendering skilled services like copywriting, graphic design, web design, and the rest of them. And because a lot of people are doing it, it's very competitive and you need to have a skill to do that. Now, what if you focus on doing tasks that don't require specific skills like this? And as you can see, it pays really well. This young man here charges between $5 to $20 for doing birthday funny dance. So you see, there is nothing you cannot sell on Fiverr. You just need to package it very well and present it here for people to pay you very well for that. And usually, because these things are not very competitive, you get to name your price and you get paid. And guess what? This man here is doing this with his mobile phone. You can see how many tasks he's done, how much he charges, and even the reviews people are dropping for him. So, being comic now is a lot of money. You need to discover your own talent and get on Fiverr to make money from it. Those unique things we take for granted are actually making people millionaires, and you need to jump on this. That is it. These are 6 simple things you can do to make money. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn those simple ways of making money online. See you in my next video.